Right, moving on to the next one. This is a Lego set 60400 Go-Karts and Race Drivers. Now I paid 289 lira for this, which is $6, I suppose, something like that, maybe. So really cheap. Another one, Scratch the Itch series. And I must say thank you to somebody that commented on one of my videos and said, oh, that scratches the itch. And I thought that would be a good little series to do. So thanks for that. A shout out when I find out who you were. I'm being lazy and don't really look right now, but I do appreciate that little comment because that gave me some ideas. So I will definitely have it floating across the screen here saying who it was. I should remember to do that. Future self, please do that. So on the front of the box you've got two little go-karts, and on the back you have like I suppose a little scene, if you like, with the two go-karts and the two drivers. I think it's awesome. You get a little trophy as well, so you get two minifigs, two karts for your Lego city or whatever, for $6. Awesome. Probably about $5 in the US, but yeah, I think this is pretty cool. We're not going to be keeping the box, so we don't need to worry about it. Please open. Thank you very much. There we go. Wow, you've got two books. Wow, okay. Oh, and this one you do get a scan code, so that's cool. All right, so you've got manual 1, which looks like it will be probably in the minifigure, one minifigure. Okay, and one yellow cart, and then in the other one you've got the other minifigure and the green turquoisey kind of colour, which is cool. Is there any stickers? Which is awesome. Doesn't seem to be. 99 pieces, age 5+, hence no stickers. Go-karts and race drivers. So we have a description with this one. Wow, we're going no expense spared. Rev your engines, it's time for some epic Lego City Go-Karts racing. Put on your helmet and choose your ride. Will it be the flaming orange cart or the cool turquoise one? Oh, that's right, turquoise, cool. Climb aboard, buckle up and get ready for some foot to the floor, tire screeching action. Who will emerge victorious to claim the coveted winner's trophy? Get ready to race. Okay, gonna get ready to build and ready to race. Put that down there. Open up 2 bags. Oh no, we don't need to open up 2 bags. We've got bag 1 and bag 2. Awesome. So bag 1 will be 1 and bag 2 will be the other. So I'm going to start the build, speed build coming up right now. Smash the like, comment, subscribe. Everything you do helps me out. Thank you so much. See you in a minute. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, let's start with the trophy, because, you know, why not? It's very, very simple build. Little trophy. Bit sexist in the instructions. They gave it to the guy, and I don't think that's right. But anyway, there we go. Now, first we got the yellow one. I think they said orange, but it's yellow to me. But maybe I'm going colourblind in my old age. But number 21, nice colour scheme with the blues and stuff. Basic, simple build. Little engine on the back. These, I suppose, are supposed to be the guards to guard the engine. Wheels, and then the minifig is a girl in this instance, and I think she's rather cool. Got a big smile on her face. Nice torso print on the front and on the back. Love the colour scheme of the blue and red. It looks really cool. And then you got the red helmet with the visor, and of course the visor can go up or down, and then she can sit in her car. And I think she should get the trophy, because I don't think that the guy should win. I think the girl should win, because her go-kart's a little bit more basic. Oh, broke the trophy. Okay, anywho, let's see if we can get that down there and put that on there. Yeah, she's doing her lap of honor with her trophy in her hand. Cool. Right, now the guy, this turquoise scheme, I really like the detail of the filter on the, or the muffler on the back. It's supposed to be a filter, I think, but this is the exhaust, and then you got the engine parts, the little grille here, and you got the Go Faster flash stripes on the back. He's number 4. Love the color scheme again. The black and the turquoise looks really cool. So yeah, again, basic little build, but fun. Now the guy, he's got a bit of a beard going on here, and you got print on the front of the torso and on the back. I kind of like it. It's really cool. I know I keep saying really cool, but it is. I think for the price of these and the fun you get from building them, awesome. Itch scratching done. So there you go. Awesome little set. Perfect. Good for the city. If you're building a city, just have a little go-kart track in the middle of your city. Why not? And the girl should win this race. Next race, we'll see. Anyway, smash the like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Everything you do, I appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next build. Have a good day. Bye bye.